Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing another alternate project using elements from the February 2023 paper pumpkin kit called Sunshine and Smiles. So it's Throwback Thursday, so I thought I'd throw back to a previous paper pumpkin kit where we can make our little gift boxes. And what I did is I took one of the strings of flowers and I cut them all apart. So it's a little hard to see on the white. There you go. See, I cut them all apart so I can decorate the top. And I need to do the greeting, which is wishing you sunshine and smiles. And I just need to decide what color ink I'm going to do. I've got the Blushing Bride. Nope, sorry. Yes, sorry, Blushing Bride. And then the Mossy Meadow. So I think maybe I will go with I think I'm going to go Mossy Meadow actually, because I think it will stand out nicely against the green dots. So we've got wishing you sunshine and smiles. We're just going to pop this down here. I think I'm a little crooked. Yep, I'm crooked. So I do have one more of these left, and forgive me if I get my hair in the frame while I do this. I do want to get this one straight because it's the last one I've got. So there we go. Wishing you sunshine and smiles. There we go. Sometimes I find it difficult to line things up if I'm not right over, and I don't want to get my head in the frame. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to build the box. If you've already built your paper pumpkin kit that these came in, you'll be really familiar with how to put these boxes together. I did a couple of videos with that, so I'm just going to pop this over. There we go. And just going to pop this closed. And then I need to get my sticky strip out. I'd forgotten about that when I do these. So I'll just dig into my supply of sticky strip, which is right here. And I'm going to put the wrapper together. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to put a piece of sticky strip. Well, it's tear and tape is what it actually is. Across this end here, right at the very edge. Get my hand out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. I'm going to peel that off. And I don't want it to be too tight because I want to be able to slide the box out. Let's flip that over so we're on the back. I'm going to pull this in like that. Fold this over so it matches, lines up. There we go. Okay, so there is our box with the sleeve. I'm going to dimensionalize this, but first I'm going to sort out where everything's going to go. I wanted to incorporate the froggy, so I think I might put the froggy like that and then scatter the flowers above. So I'm going to get my dimensionals out, and they're right here. Pop a couple of dimensionals on here, and I can pop this down. There we go. So yes, if you didn't use up all your boxes from your other kits, then you can use them for this one. I'm just going to put a dimensional on the froggy's head, put a little bit of adhesive on his leg here where he's going to go onto the greeting, and just like that. Okay, now we have choices with the flowers, and I think I'm actually going to use my sticky dots to put the flowers on. I'm going to use small ones, and these have all come out of paper pumpkin kits over the years and months. So I'm just going to put one on like that, peel the backing off, and just pop that down. Same thing, this one's a bigger one, so I'm going to use a bigger dot. There we go. Except the dot stuck to my finger instead of the card. So let's pull another one out. There we go. And just pop that one down like that. And this one could probably use a big dot as well. There we go. And just, maybe we'll pop that one down there like that. And just keep putting them down. And that's all there is to this one. You can put some ribbon around it if you want to. I'm just going to keep placing these ones down. And you got a nice decorated little box. So this is our Throwback Thursday using a previous paper pumpkin kit element. So I like to change things up a little bit. Quite often I do a stamp set, and I couldn't really find one that was obvious. I don't have a lot of kind of youth or children's stamps because my kids are all grown. And well, the youngest thinks he's all grown, but he pretty much is. And so I just don't get those ones anymore. And I peel this one up from here. Oop, pop it up there like that, and then I can put this little one down here like this. So there we go. There is the next project in the February 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit, Sunshine and Smiles. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more ideas.